New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video on Mirage Fafnir F6. We got it. There's a last spin with the actual rubber. And nothing that is nothing. Nothing. Okay. Hopefully I'll get, ooh yeah, it actually does have rubber. So that's full of rubber. Does have the right part. And nothing without the gimmick. What the fuck? What the fuck, Hasbro? Yeah. So yeah, let's weigh this. Let's see. 3 grams. 10 grams, 24 grams, 6 grams. Let's see how this goes. And fucking shit. This is fucking shit. Fucking soaps are shit. Big time. And the full weight, 43 grams. Hope you guys like this video. Well, actually, let's get the code. There we go. There's the code. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.